This here is a salad spinner, but honestly we mainly use it to spin our lettuce, just because again you want to wash your lettuce multiple times but then have a way to easily get all the water off of it. So this is what we primarily use our salad spinner for. It comes in three pieces. You have your spinner, the top part for covering the bowl, your strainer, and then the bottom half here. But you would put whatever you're looking to spin. Again, we use it for lettuce. After we wash it, put it inside, put the lid on, and then press down. And that's gonna spin your lettuce or salad. If you have any like water from washing your lettuce, it's gonna drain down into the bowl itself, but then you can stop it like this here, and then take your salad, lettuce out, drain whatever water that might be in here from washing, and then when you're done using it, you can simply just press this down, lock it in place, and it's gonna make it a little bit more compact so you can store it much easier. Another thing, this thing is super easy to clean. This comes apart, so if you need to remove it, you can easily do it, and then it clicks right back into place. But this is our spinner that we have in our house, and this thing saves a lot of time and a lot of paper towels.